Hey guys, LegalLockPIcker here. Today I have for you the Paclock PL1 Pacific Lock Company laminated steel padlock. I asked the owner of Paclock what these were about, how old they were, and he said these were on a limited run a little whiles back. I don't have that exact information for you. However, he did tell me that they are working on more laminated locks just like this one. He said the only problem they had with these before they started innovating was, he said there was a problem with the pins inside. He said that they were standard, they weren't any security pins or anything like that. But he said there was something wrong with the pins, and I'm not sure if it meant something wrong with the pin stack or if there was something wrong, the pins were weak, or I couldn't tell. So I'm going to pick this lock for you, and we'll see how hard it is to get in. If this lock looks familiar, that's because you've seen it all over the place. You may remember my miniature Paclock board. That was when the lockpicking lawyer Paclock built him a skateboard with lock wheels, which is interesting. But it's amazing how we go from laminated steel to this. So the innovation in that time period is just incredible. You can definitely see the difference, the keys from one thing to another. So I definitely wish them the best of luck. And we're going to try to get in this. Going to use top of the keyway tension here. I barely have enough room to use the lower end, so I'm going to use the top end for it. I would use a standard hook in 20,000s. However, I just got this from Wes Picks, and I thought I would give it a test run. Okay. If you notice, the core is moving around. It's going up and down each time I move the pick. Alright. Yeah, that's difficult with the core moving around. Okay, we're going to go back to 1. See if I missed anything up here. Okay, got a little turn on the core. Alright. Okay, we're going to go back to the front. Extremely difficult with the core moving. Alright. If you notice, every time the core moves, it throws off my positioning. Let's see if I can get a better look instead of through the camera. Okay. Okay. There we go. As you can see, it's a little difficult to crack these open because the core was moving up and down. So, still it was able to be picked. If you guys like this video and want to see more of my upcoming videos, please like and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell so you can see my upcoming state-of-the-art, brand new, awesome videos. If you guys were thinking about subscribing, make sure you hit that button. Have a great day.